from Stratford College. This is Justin, one of our motor vehicle students. So he's just going to do a quick demonstration to show you how to take a wheel off. One of the easy tasks that our students cover in the first few weeks of their courses. We've been really lucky to be loaned this vehicle from listers today, and we're taking full advantage of that. We're getting a lot of interest in the car particularly and the courses that we offer. So Justin, just talk us through what you're doing now. So you're removing all the nuts.
Yep, and then just take the wheel off.
So it's a pretty easy task. How long would it normally take you to do this?
With an air gun, 30 seconds.
Wow. So is that what you'd normally have in the workshop?
Yeah, pretty much.
But this is how someone could do it at home if they needed to?
Yep.
So there's no special technique, it's just about having the, what's the tool called?
Breaker bar.
The breaker bar.
Socket that fits the wheel nuts that we've got, and the locking kit.
The locking kit, that's the important part. Because without that, you'd really struggle. The last one. I don't know what time the F1 team do it in, but they normally have the air guns to do it with. But this is all done by hand, and this is probably at least the third or fourth time that Justin's done this in the last hour. His arms are probably going to get a bit tired. So we're gathering a bit of a crowd here. That's fantastic. Thank you very much for that, Justin. That's brilliant. So if anyone is interested in general motor vehicle maintenance or finding out a little bit more about the car today, come down, meet our team. Our lecturer Ian Watson's here to chat to you or any of our students, and we'll happily chat to you about our part-time and full-time course.